Hello, all. We are the Appareo team, and we have been tasked with developing a mobile application for the Stratus 2 ADS-B receiver. Basically, the Stratus is a device that gives flight vital information to pilots, such as descriptions of the weather, flight traffic, and the pilot's GPS location. As a company, Appareo is a leader in a variety of industries for their innovative electronic and software solutions for manufacturers and direct-to-market consumer products. It was founded in 2003 by Barry Batchelor and employs more than 180 people across 3 locations. Our mentor for this project, Ken Paulus, is the software development manager at the Tech Park location. As stated before, Ken has tasked us with creating an iOS application that will display flight data such as GPS location, ground speed, and altitude speed, as well as plotting a flight's path on a map. The following video gives an explanation of our app and a demonstration of our progress.
Upon launching the application, a connection to the Stratus device is attempted. If the application fails to make this connection, it will prompt the user with an error message. There is no need to fear, however, as the solution to this issue is usually as simple as connecting to the Stratus's wireless interface. After the connection has been established, the location of the user is found and flight data is shown in a dashboard on the right side of the screen. At the top of the dashboard are the status icons showing the Stratus's remaining battery life as well as the strength of the connection to the Stratus's wireless interface. Below the status icons are the 3 flight metrics. These metrics provide necessary information a user will need during a flight. The first metric measures the user's altitude above the MSL or mean sea level. The next metric displays the ground speed of the aircraft. Think of this as the equivalent to the speedometer on a motor vehicle. Lastly, we have the vertical speed, which measures the user's descent. One thing the user may notice the dashboard does not have is the user's location. But fear not, as this bit of information is always one tap away over on the map view. Along with this, the Maps UI comes packaged with the usual zoom in and zoom out buttons, as well as buttons for the compass and entering flight tracking mode. The user may notice that the compass button has a needle that always points north by default. When this is the case, the map is in normal view. When the user taps the button, however, the map will rotate to point in the direction of travel. This map state is called the flight view and is useful for when the user wants to view the map from the perspective of the plane. When the user presses the flight tracking mode button, the map enters the flight tracking mode state. In this state, the map is oriented to the flight view and a path that represents the user's history of travel is drawn. Aside from the Maps UI, there are the 3 basic map gestures: zoom, pan, and rotate. Notice that when the user performs any of these gestures, the map stops following the plane. The quick fix to this is as simple as pressing the compass button to orientate the plane to the center of the map view. We hope that this demonstration gave an ample description on how the user utilizes the Stratus interface application to interact with the Stratus device.